and the more skills you have, the more marketable you are for a person. So when a student gets a SACA certification, they can take that to an employer and they instantly know that this student knows these skills, because it's not something that the teacher gives them. We don't create those skills. Those are nationally recognized. You have a student that come in and they have the certification, they have been trained, they've been in this class, touching, feeling, doing in this class for 4 straight years. That is your hireable person. This is our lab that we're doing basic manufacturing all the way up to advanced manufacturing. This is at the school district of Osceola County, Liberty High School. Starts at the basics, it teaches the students the basic processes, like I had said before, the beginning of ACDC, tool measurement, CNCs, the basic parts of that. As they grow, they get stronger in that skill. They get their certification, SACA, CPT, MSSC. Those are the certifications that the industry is looking for. So they're hireable. Leaving here, they could get a job in those plants very easily. And we've seen it. But many of my students got into this field learning these skills. These are hands-on skills. Right now, both the manufacturing and the space industry are looking for students who know how to use their hands and can think about these skills. The one great thing about this curriculum is the teacher doesn't teach all the curriculum. The students learn it through doing. In this curriculum, it's a lot of you do. And if you do it many, many times over and over again, you learn it. So they're gaining confidence. And many of them said, I had no desire to be in this field, but now I'm very interested in it. And they also thought that when you use the word manufacturing, it was like dirty, programmed and nasty facilities. But they see that this is working with clean materials, working around clean environment, and they really are interested in the program. And one of the students said something that resonated to home to me was, I may not get into the manufacturing field, but knowing electronics and how electricity works and how programming things work, there's many other fields I could be in. He wants to go into radiology, and he said, it'd be nice to know how the machine works. And I said, absolutely, and this will teach you that. Because of the help from our county commissioner, they gave us a $2 million grant to put this lab here and to put some labs in middle school, smaller labs in middle school. This has been a huge game changer for us. This gets our students into the leading technology. Programs like this stop generational poverty. They bring students out of $15, $16 an hour jobs to $35, $40 an hour jobs. Completely changes their life. If I could, I would have a lab of this kind or something like it in every high school we have.